Hi everyone, welcome back to Mike and Aston Love Adventure. Today we're taking you along with us on our exciting trip from Bohol to Cebu for a peaceful mountain getaway. From Doon Port at around 6 a.m., we finally boarded the ferry going to Argao Port in Cebu. The ticket cost 230 pesos per person, and since we brought our motorcycle for traveling around South Cebu, we also paid 830 pesos for it. After arriving at Argao, we rode our motorcycle through scenic roads and mountain until we reached our destination, Treasure Mountain Resort. This place is truly amazing. It's located up in the mountain, far away from busy city, surrounded by nature and peaceful views. You can really feel the calmness the moments you're in. We checked in for our overnight stay, explore the area and enjoy the cold mountain breeze. One of the highlights of the resort is their beautiful water terraces falls. Especially at night, it looks magical with the lights and flowing water. That evening, my husband and I just relaxed, talked, and enjoyed the quiet surroundings. No traffic, noise, just nature, cold air, and peace. The next morning, after having breakfast together, we headed straight to the pool for our refreshing swim. The water was cold and perfect, and we had so much fun just enjoying the moment. After swimming, we decided to play a little basketball, laughing, competing, and simply enjoying each other's company. We truly love this place. It's quiet, relaxing, peaceful, and perfect if you want to escape from city life and
No.
reconnect with nature. Thank you so much for coming with us and on this Cebu adventure. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Mike and Ashley Life Adventure for more travel stories and real life experience. See you on our next trip. Bye bye.
1 point. Okay, 10 points. Forgot to 10 points.